Hi, my name is Roger Foisey, and I'm here to share some valuable information about personal injury law in Ontario. One very common question I get asked is how lawyers come up with personal injury settlement values in Ontario. In other words, how much is my case worth? There are two critical factors that maximize the value of any settlement. One, your personal situation. And two, how your lawyer approaches your case. So let's start off by talking about your personal situation. Factors such as your profession, salary, age, severity of injury, expected medical expenses, your medical diagnosis, and issues of liability, meaning how the accident came to be, will all help to determine how much you should be fairly compensated. While these factors form the foundation of a settlement value, the more critical question is whether your lawyer is able to convey that information properly to the other side. Injury is not only about how severe it is, but what impact it will have on your life. Remember this, I have never had the same client twice. Sure, I've had the same accident twice, and even the same injury twice, but the impact has always been unique to every individual. Your case is unique, and that is how the value of your case needs to be determined. So how do we effectively convey the unique impact on your life to help maximize your settlement value? Well, to start, your lawyer has to get to know you. An initial half-an-hour consultation is not enough. It is what makes the difference between an average settlement value and a settlement that is going to help take care of you into the future. It is critical that you find a lawyer that will not only take the time to listen to the ins and outs of your case, but one that will also leave you with feeling that he or she has your best interests in mind. For example, my law firm believes in a strong case management approach, which starts with the thorough initial assessment that lasts between 2 and 4 hours. This assessment is not a one-way dialogue, but rather your opportunity to get to know me as I get to know you. It is very important that we feel comfortable working as a team. As my client, you may have to reveal some very personal aspects of your life so that I can advocate effectively on your behalf. We need that comfort level to be effective. A case management approach will always respect your confidentiality. You may assume certain information is not relevant to your case and should remain confidential. However, it is important to remember that I can only help you maximize the settlement value of your case if you feel comfortable sharing all potential relevant information. Clients are often surprised to learn that because of pre-existing injuries, a person can be deemed more seriously injured than a person who had no pre-existing injury, resulting in higher damages than would otherwise be the case. Of course, a case management approach does not stop at the initial interview. It requires regular follow-up and personal contact with the actual lawyer you hired. It's how we build a strong relationship throughout the entire litigation process. I need to know what goes on in your life so I can convey that in an appropriate manner on your behalf, while always keeping your dignity intact. So thank you for tuning in, and I invite you to check back with us often for the latest videos, blogs, and resources on my website at www.injurylawyercanada.com.